everyone, how are you? I'm here with Kryogenifex, and these are the guys that deliver my liquid nitrogen to me here in Fort Lauderdale. Amazing company. Listen, I wanted to do a demonstration, alright, with liquid nitrogen, and I'm going to make table-side poached nitrogen sorbet right in front of your eyes. I do this at a lot of events, and it's a beautiful palate cleanser. Okay, this is my sorbet mix right here. All it is raspberries, sugar and water. I've got my liquid nitrogen right here, and I'm just going to slowly put it in and slowly stir. Please wear goggles, guys, if you ever do this at home, and gloves. Safety is paramount. Slow stir, and you can feel the sorbet thickening a little bit, which is kind of what we want. Otherwise it's just a milkshake. Alright, slowly add the liquid nitrogen. Give it a lovely stir. I feel it's chilling down quite a lot right now. See that? So I'm actually going to just work with the sorbet right now. Sorbet is like a fine wine. It needs to be brought slightly up to room temperature. Especially in this case because the liquid nitrogen can actually trap within the sorbet mixture. I'm going to use the back of my spoon, almost like an ice cream paddle technique. Look at that, it's very, very, very nice. Look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to just work it a little bit longer. Alright, I'm really happy with this. Check it out, guys. Silky smooth raspberry sorbet. So the guys at Kryogenifex are full of surprises. We have a CO2 glass chiller. Boom! Very good. I don't mind if I do, darling. Little sorbet action, raspberry. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed it.